Nagbablog. Nagbablog. Yung pool nila. Solo siya. Pero yun siya. Masarap mag-swimming ngayon kasi mainit yung tubig. Mamaya mag-swimming ka. May master's bedroom dito. Dito sa Leo, which is sila ni Jonah. Tapos, ito yung sa amin. Ayan, mas tahimik pala dito. Uy, may kumot. Wala akong dalang kumot. Ito siya, guys. So, kasha dito kasha dito up to 15 packs. Ayan. Diba? Sobrang aesthetic lang. And, ganda. Ha?
Asan?
Yun, nasa labas. Di ko lang alam kung kanino yun. Nilagyan mo na lang. O, yun nga. Pasok mo na.
Pasok ko na.
Okay lang yun. Nalinisan mo na lang.
Sige.
Ano pala, dalawa yung CR.
Parang madam dito. Ano trauma? Chase.
Get ready with me. Ganda mo dyan. Joke. Sorry. Nawang.
Goodbye.
Bye. I-open mo na. Itutour natin. Ay, ito lang pala siya. Okay. Kasi sa mga okay sila. Kaya dito kami mga introvert nagtatago sa taas. Ano mo? Eto, andito si Luisa eh. Hi! Jomay, ikaw ba yan? Huy! Nag-ano ako eh. Nag-tutor ako ng ating lugar. So, ito siya. Yan ba? Sobrang liit lang. Bale, ano to? Tatlo. Meron yung A, sa amin yung B, tapos dito yung C. So, may kanya-kanya yung swimming pool, gano'n. Lamig, guys. Ayan. So far, okay naman yung place, guys. Kasi, malapit sa akin. Kasi sa Gentry lang siya. So, yan. Kayo ba? Tanungin natin sila kung okay sila sa place. Ikaw, Luisa, okay ka ba dito?
Nalibis mo kung bakit hindi ka okay.
Hindi ka okay?
Kasi daw may evil eye, that's my pick.
Kaya nga. Yun lang.
May
evil eye.
Gusto kong patang.
Kaya naman pala ang tilin dyan. Diba? Yan na.
Pwede po mga nag-post kay Kuya kung pwede daw tanggalin yung evil eye. Pagkadating ko palang I review ko sure.
May pa-evil eye kasi sila sa buto. Pero so far, okay naman siya.
Hindi na sorry po.
Okay siya. Kasi malapit lang sa akin. Ito na po as
Kain po.
Sige, ayan po. As content creator po, kailangan po natin.
Yo, so that you fantastic, no, what do you think? I was doing your heart. Because the shoes are true, rolling around in the car that I want to. Baby, got them keys, hurry up before you taxi leaves. And bring it from your head, telling me how I'm such a fool. Talking about how you got me twisted. You must not know about me. You must not know about me.
Time check, it's 9:52 p.m. Inaantay na lang po natin matulog si Leo para po makapag ano na po tayo, huddle at magawa na yung dahilan ng ating pagsasama-sama ngayong gabi.
The third thing is passivity or apathy. A builder is action-orientated. Say me action. The opposite is somebody passive. They do nothing. They talk about things, but they themselves do absolutely zero. They do nothing. They avoid effort. They're lazy. Avoid responsibility. They procrastinate. It's always next week, next week, next week, next week. And then they give up easily. After 10 minutes, they say, it can't be done. Fourthly, scatterers are, how do I put this? I want to be kind. They're riddled with fragility, fragile, a fear of failure. You see, builders embrace setbacks as part of the process. When there's a setback, you say, "Yo, we're expecting." We know this is part of building is setbacks.
Pagka ginawa ka, parang hindi that afraid or fearful sa yung mga rejection, yung mga something that will go wrong, hindi ka dapat